Hi, my name is James Knight. I am a therapist and certified hand somatic educator, and today we're going to take 5 learning about how to improve your game. It's always a good idea when doing hand somatic exercises to begin and end with arches and curls. Arches and curls is a very simple movement, but it's very effective to make sure that the lower back muscles are released. So with the feet hip width apart and the fingers interlaced behind the head, the first thing you're going to do is please tip your pelvis into the floor so that you create a nice bridge shape with your lower back. And then after that, please tilt your pelvis, flatten your stomach, and slowly lift your head just a few inches. And repeat this several times. So he's going to come down, and as he comes down, he's going to arch his upper back, creating a nice bridge shape, and then coming up, bringing the elbows together, engaging your stomach muscles. So after 3 or 5 times, repeating this movement really slowly, you can bring your arms and legs down by your side, with your palms facing up, and again, scan your body part by part, piece by piece, and enjoy the feelings from your movements. This is an exercise, a hand somatic movement that I chose for improving your game because it affects all the muscles along your spine and into the hips. So sitting on the floor, please bring your right knee forward, your left knee back. In this position, your right foot is going to be against your left thigh and your left foot is behind you. And then place your right hand on the floor and take a look over your right shoulder. Again, as I mentioned, it's really great for the brain to learn in contrast. And this is kind of like a before and after shot, like photography. So now come back to neutral and place your left hand on your right shoulder and begin twisting left and right. Your torso, your head, your shoulder all going the same direction. As in all the hand somatic exercises, please move slowly, and you can even close your eyes because really you want the focus to be internal. What muscles are working? How do you do this movement? How can you coordinate all your muscles to make it smooth and graceful? This time let your head go the opposite direction of the twist. So right now he's twisting to the right, but his head is looking to the left. And as he comes back to center, his shoulders and torso are coming to the left, his head is looking to the right. Do this a few times on your own, and then come back to neutral with your head and your torso and elbow all going the same direction. So in this next sequence, the torso and the chin is aligned, and with your eyes closed, even though he's turning to the left, let your eyes look to the right. I know this sounds a little odd, but now he's twisting to the right and he's turning to the right, but underneath your eyelids, look to the left. So your eyes are going the opposite direction than the twist. And you do this a few times. When your body gets all the way over to the right, you'll stop there in a twist. And in this movement, please lift your shoulder and your chin up and feel a nice arch in your lower back, and notice how your hip lifts. And then slowly bring your chin and your elbow down to the chest, and there's this nice curve. And you'll repeat this several times. Again, with your eyes closed, just sense how strong you are in your back muscles, and as your elbow comes down, notice how strong you are in your stomach muscles. Another thing you can do as a detail on this movement is also use your eyes moving the opposite direction. So for example, as his elbow lifts, underneath his eyelids, he's looking down. And as the elbow comes down and the chin comes down, the eyes are going to look up. And this is looking really good. Okay, perfect. Now transition, please finish where you started, which was just twisting left and right. The torso, the head, the elbow, everything all going the same direction. As you're moving, you can scan your body and notice how your hip lifts as you turn to the right. You can even bring your belly in a little bit. And then as you slowly twist to the left, there's a slight compression in the ribs. So you're exploring a range of movement in this. Okay, and after this next one, please release your left hand and look over your right shoulder. And hopefully you've noticed that you've increased your range of motion looking over your right. This is a perfect example of how you can retrain your muscles, and this took, 2 to 3 minutes, so please do the other side. Thank you for joining me today with Take 5. All of these exercises and movements, hand somatic movements, are cumulative, so your game will improve, your sense of well-being will improve, so keep trying and stay with it. Thank you.